Little Mix are a British girl group formed in 2011 during the 8th series of the British version of the X Factor. They were the first group to win the competition, and following their victory, they signed with Simon Cowell's record label Syco Music and released a cover of Damien Rice's Cannoll as their winner's single. The group is known for their strong vocals and signature harmonies, as well as their representation of female empowerment and unity. One of the most successful acts to emerge from the X Factor, the group consists of members Jade Thirlwall, Perrie Edwards, Leigh-Anne Pinnock, and Jesy Nelson. Little Mix released their debut album DNA in 2012, which peaked inside the top 10 in 10 countries including the UK and US. This made Little Mix the first girl group since the Pussycat Dolls to reach the US top 5 with their debut album, as well as earning the highest debut US chart position for a British girl group's first release, breaking the record previously held by the Spice Girls. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.